Hi everybody, Chef David again with HHS. If you visit one of our cafes, you may have an opportunity to try one of our newest concepts called the Bayou Bistro. Bayou Bistro is a look at the rich cultural heritage of Louisiana cuisine. A place where flavors run deep and food tells a story. Today I'm going to show you how to make crawfish rolls, one of the recipes that are part of that concept that you can easily do at home. It takes about 10 or 15 minutes and it's sure to be an absolute favorite for you and your family. Let's get started.